Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to get sound on and on monitor, audio settings and troubleshooting guide. Check if your model has built-in speaker on an audio out jack. Connect external speakers or headphones using HDMI or a 3.5 mm cable. Change your computer's audio output settings to target the monitor. First, check your monitor model. Look for grills. Inspect the back or bottom for speaker grills. Next, check the ports. Look for an audio out jack 3.5 mm headphone port. Some model doesn't have audio jack. Next, verify specs. Search your specific model number online to confirm if it supports internal audio. Connect your hardware, HDMI/DisplayPort. Use these cables to carry both video and audio from your PC. VGA/DVI. These cables do not carry audio. You must use a separate auxiliary cable. Audio jack. Plug external speakers or headphones directly into the monitor's 3.5 mm port. Next, change Windows audio settings. Click the speaker icon on your taskbar. Select the audio output menu and choose the on monitor, often listed as HDMI audio from the list. Now open settings, then go to system, then go to sound to test the volume level. Fourth, adjust the monitor menu. Press the physical menu button on the monitor and navigate to the audio or sound settings. Next, ensure the monitor volume is turned up and verify that the mute setting is turned off. Update audio drivers. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Now expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section. Right-click your graphics/audio drivers, example Intel Display Audio, NVIDIA High Definition Audio. Then, from the drop-down menu, click Update Driver and restart your computer. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.